Mama.
Paano yung ano mo, background?
Oh my God, Mama.
Background. Sino yung
I'm just gonna
character
mute my
reference
mic.
mo?
I think that blood. That blood. That blood. That was blood.
Oo.
Oh, freckle.
Oo, yung mga temp lang. Ngayon. Nasa iyo.
Oh my God, my brother is sick.
Pero alin nung makanyanimbala ko kasi len mo na pa rin guy, len mo na pa nung nanong in offer na. Kasi rin guy kasi mag-negotiate na pa rin eh. Pero yan na yung offer na.
See that? Blood. That blood. That is blood.
Oo. Character reference. Oo.
Oh, the lion down there is our stamina. You know. Oh, wait. Where's that?
Oo. Outside Newcastle, ganon. Basta't within NSW. Oo, non-complete. Oo. Tapos, sabihin mo yung mga CRM mo, yung mga Rex, HubSpot, yung mga ganon. Oo. Ano?
Oh my God.
Ikaw. Ano? Sabihin mo din HR admin assistant.
What the
Ganon.
hell is her? Yeah.
Oh, it is parang 10 hours HR admin na. Wala? Wow.
Back in here.
Very HR admin assistant. Oh! Oh,
This is-
HR
this
admin
one's on
assistant or onboarding, ganyan, offboarding, tapos, hindi ko alam
Kaya
mo,
I'm just
baka mo ano, baby.
Okay.
Pero,
Fucking comes. Oh. Do you trust me? Hell no, but going back. I think I saw that entity.
pero Mikel, si Mikel kasi madali lang naman siyang kausap.
Since we're in the background somewhere.
Baka pwede ka niya,
Oh, what are you?
baka pwede ka niyang i-refer.
What's
Kung hindi man siya, i-refer ka niya sa man who cares. Parang ganon.
What's that?
And Liam too. Liam too, siguro si Liam din. Parang someone who can,
I'm gonna get almond water.
oo.
That's so
Oo.
good.
Okay. Ayaw mo kay Jessie?
Oh, what?
Si Jessie Tagnetang, itang itang kaya ng Jordan O, yung asawa na, itang masura.
What the?
Oh,
I think I heard something.
send ka lang ng Ay, yung mga ugali
I know
ko!
these.
Tangina!
So
Hindi,
it's my
okay lang naman.
preferred.
Kasi, para kasi
So
nag-worry
it's
din
my
naman ako
favorite.
sa'yo. Kasi, kanina, nakatas na
My
sa-
lag.
pagkakaya mo nga, kita ko.
Oh my.
Saan galing? Puta, na ako po ah. Siyempre, doon pinagsamahan tayo.
Did I just came back here?
Oo.
Suspicious.
Oo, no?
Run away. 7 minutes in heaven. All I
Kailan mo
need.
last day na?
Yeah, what's that? 7 minutes in heaven. Oh,
Ano yung, ano nilaw pala?
Nab-
Anong-
Abajan.
nilaw? Kanino mapupunta?
I'm leaving. Bye bye.